Yes, Raghav.
Yes.
Let's try
So we
this.
did this one. Yes, sir. We need to do this. No, sir. You were showing the previous one also.
Yes.
We did.
Okay. Okay, let's give a try to this one now. What does it
Yes,
say?
sir.
Read it
How many
once.
meters of cloth 5 meters wide will be required to make a conical tent, the radius of whose base is 7 meters and height is 24 meters?
Okay.
So like, how many meters of cloth?
Yes.
Like, it means like the total surface area.
How total surface area?
Sir, because
First,
like, if,
first tell me the dimensions of cloth. I mean, when you go to buy cloth, you get clothes rectangular, right?
yes, sir.
You buy clothes rectangular. Now,
Yes,
the width of the cloth is 5 meters.
yes, sir.
How many meters of cloth? That means we are to find out the length of the cloth. Okay, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Now, this cloth is to be made into a tent, right?
Yes,
It's to be
sir.
used to make a tent. So, where are we going to use the cloth in the tent? Can you tell me?
Sir, outside the. Okay, sir. So we have to find the CSE.
Yes, now you got it. Now you got it.
Yes, sir. So that's pi r square L
Eh? It's gonna be pi r square.
divided by 3.
What?
So we have to find the
CSA, CSA.
lateral surface area, right?
Yes, CSA, lateral surface area or curved surface area. But is it pi r square L divided by 2?
No, sir, not 2, but divided by 3.
It's simply pi r L. Okay, pi r L, Raghav. We just understood that.
Okay, sir.
Pi r L. You didn't note perhaps, right? You didn't note.
Yes, sir.
Okay, kindly note these things now. Look,
Yes, sir.
the area of this cloth, the cloth that we are buying, right? We we are using, Raghav, will
Yes, sir.
equal to the area of the curved surface of the tent, because on the curved surface only you are going to use the cloth, right?
Yes, sir.
So what all are given about the tent for the tent?
Sir, the radius of whose base is 7 meters and the height is 24 meters. So, like, the height of the goal is given as 24 meters, and then the radius is 7, so the diameter should be 14.
Why do we need diameter now? Tell me.
Mm,
What is the use
no,
of
sir, I'm
diameter?
just telling. In general, I'm telling.
Okay, in general you are saying, okay. We
Yes,
need
sir.
pi r L, right? We need to use.
Yes, sir.
So L, where is L?
Sir, L is the circle, right?
L will be found out next. How do we find out
Yes,
L?
sir. Uh, sir, should we use Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, exactly. In the previous question we did it.
Yes, sir. L square equals.
R square plus H square, right?
Yes, sir.
So we may write square root over R square plus H square. Going to be 7, R is 7, 7 square plus 24.
Plus
So it's same as the previous
root.
one, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 625 and that is 25.
25.
Okay. So what is going to be CSA now? Tell me.
So CSA, um, Sir, it is pi RL, right?
Yeah, go on. Help me find it out.
Yes, sir. 22 by 7
Okay.
into 7 into 24.
25 or 24?
25, 25, sorry, sir. 25. So
So
7 and 7 get cancelled. So that's 22 into 25.
so
Um, Sir, I think I remember last time we did it, it was 550.
absolutely. So what do you know now? You know the area of this cloth, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the area curved surface area, that's the same area that we have on the cloth as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Because the same cloth is being used to you know make this tent. Now,
Yes,
what are
sir.
we gonna write? We are gonna write like this. Therefore, area of cloth required is equal to 550 meters square. Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Now,
No, sir.
how do you find out the area of this cloth? Tell me.
Sir, area of a rectangle is L into B.
Absolutely. That's what we are going to do here. L into B is equal to
So that's 5L,
550.
550. So 550 by L into 5 equals 550. So L equals 550 by 5, that's 110.
Absolutely. So area, we may conclude it like this. Length of cloth required is equal to 110 meters. Done. Get the picture? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. You'll get plenty of questions of this kind. Very important. Very, very important these questions are. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Moving on. Take a look at this one. Raghav. Height and slant height of a cone are 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of the cone.
Yes, sir.
Come on, you do it this time.
Yes, sir.
I want you to solve this because this has no substance. This is easy.
Sure, so
Yeah?
the volume of yes, sir. The volume of a cone is 1 by 3 into pi r square L. No, no, pi r square H. Sorry.
So find it out for me. Find it out for me. Come on.
Mm, okay, sir.
Are you doing it? Raghav?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So we don't need to use Pythagoras theorem in this, right? Because like the radius is not given. How do you find the radius?
That's the key, right? That's the key. We have to use Pythagorean theorem, otherwise how are you gonna get the radius?
Okay, sir. So is it like AB square equals uh, AC square minus BC square?
Think in terms of R and H, okay? Think in terms of R and H. Look, the L is always the hypotenuse, right?
Yes, sir.
So you are going to have L squared is equal to R squared plus H squared. Always stick with this. Stick with
Yes,
this. Don't
sir.
change it. So L is given to be 28.
Okay, yes, sir.
Sorry, is equal to R square, which is not known to us. H is 21 square. R
Yes,
square is
sir.
equal to 28 square minus 21 square. What is it going to be? Can you help? Don't find out 28 square. We can do it without, having to square 28 and 21. We can use what? A square minus B square, right?
Yes, sir.
So 28 plus 21, 28 minus 21. What is it going to be?
So 28 square minus 21 square.
Wow, that was there already. We broke it. We factorized it.
Oh, okay, sir. Like that.
Plus
So
21
R square is going to be 49.
and multiplied by 21, 28 minus 21.
7.
So R is going to be,
343.
we don't have to multiply this, Raghav. 49 into 7, right? So we can
Yes,
find
sir.
49 has a square root. That's 7. But
7
this
root 7.
absolutely, now you got it. Okay. Okay, moving on. We have to find out the volume. What is the formula for volume?
Sir, pi r 1 by 3 into pi r square.
Pi r square h.
Pi r square, sorry, sir. I got
So 1/3 pi, which is 22 by 7, into r 7 root 7 times 7 root 7 times h is 20
yes, sir. 20,
21, right?
21. Yes, sir. 21. So
So 3
3
7.
can cancel 21. 7s are. Then 7 can be cancelled again. So 22 into 7 root 7 into 7 root 7
Yeah. So 7 7 22 into 49 multiplied by root 7 root
is
7 will
7.
be. Come on,
So
get it done.
22 into 343.
22 into 343, that's fine. Find it out.
Yes, sir. So 7,546.
7 4 5 4 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Pretty cool. That's correct. Wonderful. Moving on.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's take this question. Read it for yourself.
Following few derived basically required to make a conical tent of height 8 meters and base radius 6 meters, assuming the extra length. Okay, required for sticking margins. in wastage and continuous condition use by equals 3.1. Sir, I have one doubt. So if they say like use pi equals 3.14,
Uh-huh.
we can't use 22 by 7.
No, we cannot. We cannot. We have to stick with 3.14.
Okay, sir.
So again, it's kind of a question, kind of the question that we did already, right? One question had
Yes,
cloth, right?
sir.
Length of cloth required. Similar kind of a question. This time we have tarpaulin. You know what tarpaulin is, right?
Yes, sir. It's like a mat.
Yes. It is used to cover things to protect it from rain, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And sometimes tents are also made. Yeah, actually tents are made using tarpaulin as well. Pandals are made using tarpaulin, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this tarpaulin has length 3 meter. Now the question is, what will be the length of tarpaulin spout to make the tent? And there should be extra 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is equivalent to what in meters?
20 centimeter in meters, it's like 0.2 meters.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So let's say this much extra has been bound, right?
Yes, sir.
0.2 centimeter extra has been bound. This green part is 0.2 centimeter, 0.2 meter. So what will be the length
Yes.
from here to here? This part only. That is, let me just shade it in red. So the red part, what is red part going to be if the length of that green part is 0.2 meter? Can you tell, Raghav?
Uh,
The
Sir,
total
I
length,
didn't understand.
the total length of the rectangle is L, right?
Yes, sir.
The length of the green
So
part,
L minus 0.2.
yes, absolutely. The red part will be L minus 0.2 meters. Now, this is actually used in the tent, right? This is not the waste.
Yes, sir.
This does not include the wasted part. This is actually used in the tent. We are going to use it later. Okay, let's begin the solution in the manner we did. Solution. What is the radius of the conical tent? The tent that we are making out of it.
Sir, radius is 6 meters.
Radius is 6 meters. Okay. This is an
Yes.
NCRT question as well. Okay. I think it is there in NCRT textbook. Okay. What is the height?
Sir, height as in height or slant height?
No, when they mention
Sir, height.
it's vertical height, not slant height. Okay. When they
Okay,
say,
sir.
listen
8
carefully.
meters.
In the question, if it is not slant height mentioned, rather height is mentioned, then it will be vertical height. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is going to be L? Can you find out L for me?
Sir, L is equal to
The same, by the
R.
way.
Yes, sir. R square plus H square.
That
It
is
is 6 square plus 8 square. 36 plus 64. That's 100.
it's going to be
So that's
10.
10 meters.
Once again, find out CSA because again tarpaulin will be used on the curved surface, right?
Yes, sir.
So curved surface is pi r L.
Yes, sir. Yes. Alright. So 3.14 into 6 into 10. So 31.4 into 6. That's,
Is it going to be 188.4 meters square? What do you reckon?
I'm doing it. So, yes, sir, it's 188.
Okay. Now, we are assuming, Raghav, we are assuming that total length, right? Let
Yes, sir.
L be the length of that building spout. Okay, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
So length of tarpaulin actually used in the tent is equal to L minus 0.2. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Because look, I mean, they have about, um, total length from here to here is L. But then 0.2 is wasted, right?
Yes, sir.
So actually used in the tent is L minus 0.2. Now, area of tarpaulin actually used, what is it?
Yeah, tarpaulin.
Actually used in the tent? What is it?
Sir, L.
No. Area is found out already. Area of tent,
Oh,
area,
okay, sir.
yeah,
188.4 meters square.
very good. Now, how do you find out area of rectangle? Just like the previous question.
L
It's,
into B.
yeah, L, which is L minus 0.2 times B.
Into B
Base,
equals 188.4.
so find out L, come on, Raghav.
Sir, 3L into 0.6.
Let's bring 3 this side. No, I mean, divide 188 by 188.4 by 3. What is it going to be? 60,
Sir,
62.8, right?
sir, I think.
Am I correct, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
So what is L going to be? L is going to be 62.8 plus 0.2, that's 60.
Plus 0.2. 60 meters.
Did you understand it fully? Did you understand it completely, this question, this
Yes,
solution?
sir.
You did, right? Okay. So we will continue with this topic in the next class as well, Raghav. And then we'll
Yes.
begin spheres and hemispheres as well. Okay. Okay, Raghav. Raghav.